In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve issues when logging into Lovable AI using your OpenAI API key. It's an essential skill to have, ensuring that your AI tools run smoothly and without hiccups. So let's dive right in. The first step to getting back on track is opening Google Chrome. If you don't already have it on your computer, you can easily download it from the official Google website. Once Chrome is up and running, head straight to the Lovable AI website to log into your account. Remember that having the correct credentials handy can save you time and make the login process seamless. Now, once you're logged into Lovable AI, navigate to the Settings menu. This is where you'll find your connection to the OpenAI API. It's crucial to periodically check this because if there's an issue with your API key, it could interrupt your interaction with Lovable AI. Double check that the key you have entered here is accurate and correctly formatted. If you've copied and pasted it, be sure there are no added spaces or extra characters. Next, let's take a moment to verify that your API key is both valid and active by visiting the OpenAI platform. Log into your OpenAI account, where you can manage and review your API keys. Look over your key details to ensure it's recognized as active and hasn't been revoked for any reason. This step can help you pinpoint any issues with the current key you are using. Moving forward, it's important to confirm that you have adequate API usage credits or quotas available. Without sufficient credits, even a valid API key won't function properly. Again, on the OpenAI platform, check your account balance or quota information. Keep an eye on how many requests you're allowed to make, and consider adding more credits if you're running low. If you've discovered that the API key is indeed the problem, you may need to either re-enter it or generate a new one. Return to the OpenAI dashboard for this task. Carefully create a new key and keep it stored securely. Once you have a fresh key, go back into your Lovable AI settings and update it accordingly. Afterward, a quick cleanup of your browser can often resolve lingering issues. Clearing your cache might feel like an unnecessary hassle, but it frequently removes old data that can interfere with new workflows. Once you've cleared the cache, reload Lovable AI. With any luck, this refresh will solve your issue and you'll be back on track. If you've followed these steps and continue to face difficulties, it may be time to delve deeper. Lovable AI offers error logs and customer support, which can provide more specific guidance tailored to your situation. Use these resources to gain insights into persistent errors and obtain help when needed.